What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this week's video we're going to be checking out a one level, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom property here in La Cristina. We are west of Ajijic here, so about 10 minutes back to Ajijic, next to San Juan Cosala. La Cristina is a gated community of 27 homes. It's a wonderful location. If you want to just jump straight back onto the bike path and head back to Ajijic from here, it's a stone's throw away from the gated community. If you're looking for a one level, easy, lock up and go type of property, this is a great option. So I'm stood in the clubhouse doing the intro. It's a lovely little clubhouse with a common swimming pool, and you've got a little common area to get together with friends and enjoy this wonderful Mexican weather right now. So without further ado, come with me today. Let me go and show you this 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, one level property in La Cristina. The video is on its way. Casa Cristina sits on a lot size of 226 square meters, and the construction is 154 square meters. The listing price is $275,000 US. As you can see from the front of the property, you have a carport here on my left-hand side, space for 2 vehicles there. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1-level villa. Here on my left-hand side, this is where we're going to find the half bathroom for guests when they come and visit. Casa Cristina has an open concept, so you've got in front of me your living room, your dining room off to my right-hand side, and then behind that is the kitchen. The boveda ceiling above the living room definitely adds to the space here, makes it feel nice and airy in here. Leading off from the open concept living area, you have an outside covered terrace that's actually facing south. So throughout the day, that area is going to get quite a lot of sun. So this is a good sized living area. As you can see, everything fits really well. In the left-hand corner there in the living room, we have a gas fireplace. Here in the kitchen, we have a little breakfast bench area for 3 stools. Just to mention, the house does come fully furnished. You've got granite surfaces throughout the kitchen. This little room next to the kitchen is where we're going to find the laundry area. So we have the washer and the dryer. We have the stack washer and the dryer. Imagining washing the dishes here. And you've got an amazing view of the mountains in the far distance. If I could just focus up there, look at the view of the mountains facing north. What a nice view when you're washing the dishes. Just to give you a little different angle here, there's plenty of cabinetry space here. So the master bedroom is the door in front of me. Outside we have here, running off this nice spacious living area, we have an open covered terrace. Nice little patio area to come and have a barbecue, relax with friends and family. As I mentioned, this is like south facing, so you're going to get plenty of sun here. Coming into the principal bedroom that is topped off with a cupola. What I actually like as well for circulation, all of the rooms come around this middle patio, coming into the principal bathroom with a walk-in shower. You have a 1-sink vanity and a walk-in closet. And you can actually come out here to the patio from the principal bedroom. That's cool. Here we have the second bedroom. Which is also en suite. The ensuite has a 1-sink vanity and a walk-in shower. You have a built-in closet here to my right-hand side as we come out of the ensuite bathroom. And just like the other bedroom, it comes out to this middle patio area. I'm going to take you up to the clubhouse to finish the video off. So the clubhouse is only stone's throw away from the property. As you can see, it's a small little gated community here in La Cristina. If you're wondering, guys, the HOAs for this gated community per month are 2,100 pesos. That includes the clubhouse here. Welcome to the clubhouse. Good sized pool. Looks in really good condition. Here in front of me is a little kind of meet and greet area with a kitchenette. So it looks like you have little parties, you could entertain your guests here and chill out in the pool. So there we have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video today. If you'd like to come and see this one, please send me an email. My email is here on the screen. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the free monthly newsletter talking about all new listings coming on the market. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. Thanks all for watching. Take care of yourselves and see you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.